Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Rene and today we are doing an unboxing video again. This time it's the third part of the Icewind Dale Rime of the Frostmaiden booster case. So let's start in booster brick number 3. I quickly unwrap the foil and cut the tapes and then we'll start. See you soon. So then let's start the third round with booster number 1. Let's see. Okay, that's a winter wolf. Cool. That's our second winter wolf. Love it. Maybe we can get a small wolf gang here. Small wolf pack. And here we get a small gnome Ceramorph. Small little mind flayer. And here we got a human trapper. Also very nice miniature. And our third vampire spawn. And as I said last time, I love the vivid color because it's not looking so undead. So just love it. And then I would switch to the second booster. And here we have a mammoth and also, and again, a broken miniature. And it's broken a lot because the horn is broken in 3 parts. Not a good brick, not a good brick. Yeah, not a good case. So that's not what I like to see from WizKids. Yeah, I can glue that, but it shouldn't happen. Here is a Durga Mindmaster. I think that's our 4th one. Oh, maybe a little Durga or Dwarven Circle we can do with that. And here we got our second straight wolf. Love it. And our third, I think. Oops. Our third, it fell. Yeah, got it. And our third Arctic fox. Yeah. This broken mammoth. On one side, it's not that cool. That figure's again broken. But I think that's pretty cool with this broken tusk here. So, yeah. Maybe I do not glue it and put it like that. Maybe. So we go on to booster number 3. And we got another reindeer. Love it. That's our third one. They are always so hard to get out. Nothing broken. And small little reindeer horde. And that's our 4th Chwinger with a snowball. Love it. And here we have a gnome Ceramorph. Again, this small little mind flare. What do we got here? The brittle maiden. That's a pretty big one. And I love the style, and I'm gonna definitely use it somewhere else too. That's just such a good miniature to just use it once. No, no, no. I have to use that more. Ooh, that's so nice. Love it. Love it. Cool miniature. Up to booster number 4. And our third killer whale. Yeah, also there's a small school growing. And here we have our snow goblin. I think it's the third one, which is not that bad. And here we got our second flint trapper. One part more for our Null army. And our second Yeti tyke. Small little Yeti. Small, sweet little Yeti. Yeah, with those Nulls, I already got Yanagu. I think there's gonna be a very cool adventure with that. My group will love it or hate it. Maybe both. Up to booster number 5. Oh, sweetie little owlbear. I love the snowy one. Sitting like, life is so sad. Love it. Just love it. Another Cobalt Mountaineer. And our third Yeti tyke. With the Mountaineers, I didn't count them all, but I think it's 3 already, maybe 4, I don't know. And another Twinger. I think we have 7 now. 3 with the Icy Spear, 4 with the Snowball. Ah, that will work out. Up to booster number 6. And that is the Goliath Werebear. Our second one. Oh yeah, oh god. Oh yummy Nartok. Sounds yummy. And this is our third Goliath Barbarian. How suitable to get a Goliath Werebear and a Goliath in the same booster. And here we got another Ragged Nomad with Cage. I think those would get along as a good rogue, I think. As a human rogue, maybe. Cool. Oh, he's whitey one. White Null. With a bow. Oh, I love it. Null army. Gross. With Inago, that would be a great adventure. Love it. I think I just have 5 or 7 Nulls around. I take this. Cool, very cool. Okay, and this is one of the 4 capstone minis. That's the Tomb Trapper. Cool, it's not that banned. Maybe the creature in itself is banned, but that looks very badass. With the mouth and in the belly, this big hammer. Yeah, it's a bit bent, but it's okay. It's absolutely okay. Love the design. Simple, but great. And that's our second night hack. They're Coven in the making. Our third mountain goat. Also very cool. And here's our fourth Arctic fox. Sweet little foxy. Maybe some catch event could be great with so many small little foxes. Maybe, oh, that's looking so nice. Love it. And then up to the last one. And we got a Yeti. And this time the finger is still there. Woohoo! Hopefully I do not break it. No, no. All fingers are on the Yeti. Love it. My first Yeti with all fingers. I think those creatures with fur are so well made and always looking badass, in my opinion. And here's our, I think our third Auroch Ranger. I love it because you can easily use them as an orc too. So not that bad. And here we have a Ragged Nomad with a spear. I think that's our third one. And here we have one again of the rare ones. That's Velen Harpel, one of the characters in the adventure. And as you can see, you can use that as a cleric, mage, sorcerer. Yeah, maybe it's more like a wizard or a cleric with the book in hand. Yeah, and that was part number 3 out of 4 booster bricks for the Rime of the Frostmaiden set. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. I appreciate your support. See you the next time. Bye.